I know that when I went through my abusive relationship and I was in a transitioning out of not only an abusive relationship, domestic violence, that I was constantly working on myself. I was watching self motivational videos. In fact, one of my biggest mentors and someone who I looked up to was Les Brown, and he really changed my life. And I also became involved in the online space by doing a lot of research. So I went on YouTube, I did some research, I went to the local library, and I learned that I could live on my own and work on myself. So, tapping into myself. And this takes a lot of mental preparation. And all of a sudden, you start to experience self love and loving yourself, because I have said this many times, when you love on yourself,